Welcome to the future of home appliances, where innovation meets everyday convenience. Join us as we explore the top 5 high-tech appliances redefining our interactions with our homes, showcasing how smart technology transforms ordinary tasks into extraordinary experiences. Number 1, the AI-powered ovens. Imagine an oven that precisely knows how to cook your meal to perfection. The future introduces ovens equipped with built-in cameras and AI technology capable of automatically adjusting cooking settings for optimal results. With smart connectivity, you can monitor your meal's progress from anywhere via your phone. Its modern design effortlessly complements any kitchen, elevating the joy of cooking. Number 2, LG AI washing machine. Laundry redefined. Laundry day has been revolutionized. Future washing machines feature smart dispensing systems that auto-adjust detergent levels for optimal cleaning. With remote control and monitoring, manage your laundry cycle, receive notifications when laundry is ready, and even control your machine via voice commands with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Number 3, LG MoodUP Refrigerator. Aesthetic and mood enhancer. Introducing refrigerators that not only keep your food fresh, but also enhance your mood with customizable LED panels. Change colors to suit your mood or season, with advanced models that play music and detect your presence, greeting you with a welcoming light show. Innovative technology ensures longer-lasting freshness, with sensors to alert you to open doors. Number 4, Samsung Family Hub, the kitchen's command center. Visualize a refrigerator that doubles as your kitchen's command center. It lets you control smart home devices, manage groceries, and mirror content from your TV or smartphone. Integrated voice assistants enable hands-free operations, enhancing the smart kitchen experience. Samsung Family Hub TEM makes sharing pictures, videos, and managing shopping lists effortlessly. And number 5, smart dishwashers. Welcome to the era of smart dishwashing, where each cycle is optimized for performance and energy efficiency. The bespoke dishwasher features smart dry with auto-release door technology, which circulates warm air for superior drying results without harming plastic wear. Through the phone app, you can remotely start, stop, or delay your dish cycles, ensuring your dishes are clean according to your schedule. Additionally, you can monitor and manage your dishwasher's power usage, receiving tips and alerts to help lower your electric bill. The Smart Reorder feature, enabled by Amazon Dash Replenishment, tracks your detergent pod usage and automatically reorders supplies, ensuring you never run out. The future of home appliances is set to enhance our convenience, efficiency, and enjoyment across everyday activities. From cooking to cleaning, innovative technology is streamlining our daily routines. What innovations do you envision for the next 2 decades? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the technological future.